Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Mercury credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box at the top, type in www.mercurycards.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official site of Mercury. To log in and access your credit card, go and fill in your details in the right hand side of the screen where it says sign in. Start off by entering your username for your credit card account in the text box and head over to the next field and type in your password. In case you've forgotten your username or your password, click on this forgot your username or password link in order to reset to a new password or to look for your username. If you've not registered for online access yet, go and click the please register link at the bottom in order to register for a new Mercury Cards account. Finally, after filling in the details, click on the submit button and that will help you log into your Mercury credit card online. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.